Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Judy here. If you're interested in fascinating discoveries in the world of science, you've come to the right place. And if you like the contents that I share, please subscribe to this channel. Your support means a lot. Before we dive into today's topic, my friends, please allow me to thank the friends who bought me coffee from my website last week. Thank you so much for your kind support, my friends. Thank you. My friends, you know that I've talked some topics about vitamin D, vitamin B12, and magnesium, right? But if you don't recall, or if you're a new friend, please check them out in the description or comments. And if you're not a new friend, you'd also know that I've talked about some neurodegenerative diseases and their potential treatments. That's right, Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease are neurodegenerative diseases, and these diseases are a consequence of the progressive loss of neuronal function and structure, causing significant cognitive impairment, causing serious symptoms like memory loss and motor dysfunction. Yes, genetic and environmental factors are most often mentioned as pathogenic factors of these diseases, but increasing evidence shows that proper nutrition may help prevent the diseases. That's right. According to some studies, a balanced diet can mitigate the risks associated with the risk factors mentioned above and slow the progression of these diseases by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. And my friends, you know that vitamins in preventing and supporting the therapy of neurodegenerative diseases are important. And a new study found that some vitamin K analogs show promise in treating Alzheimer's by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Known for its blood and bone health, vitamin K could also enhance the brain cell regeneration and protection. It's a fast-soluble vitamin that can be found in fermented foods and leafy green vegetables like collard greens, kale, and spinach. Yes, it can also be produced by bacteria in the human body. And you know what? It's broken down very quickly and excreted in urine and stool. Because of this very reason, it rarely reaches toxic levels in the body, even with high intakes. But if you don't have enough vitamin K, its deficiency can lead to bleeding issues and poor bone development. Yeah, vitamin K plays a significant role in coagulation and bone metabolism. And now, because of the new study, it's been implicated in neuroprotection and neuronal differentiation. Why? Well, because the researchers have synthesized novel vitamin K compounds with retinoic acid conjugated side chains and Maloester modifications to achieve enhanced neurogenic and neuroprotective activities. Their vitamin K analogs have shown synergistic effects and potent neuroprotective capacity in treating Alzheimer's by improving cognitive deficits, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, and protecting neurons. Moreover, they've also shown potential in inhibiting the aggregation of proteins like Alpha-Synuclein that is implicated in Parkinson's disease. So their study paves the way for developing novel therapeutic agents that can delay or reverse neurodegenerative diseases. Sounds fascinating, right? Let's hope their research will translate into clinical treatments for patients battling with diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Okay, my friends, in case you don't know me yet, I'm Judy Faye London, a fan of Jack London. I'm a published writer who writes fiction and non-fiction novels and short stories. You're very welcome to visit my website, judyfaylondon.com, or Amazon to read my poems and my short stories. The last one, Mr. Rat, Candy the dog, and so on, and my latest non-fiction book, Living with the Walking Dead, a roadmap for achieving your own success. I hope to see you there, and thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channels, Judy Faye London and Judy Plus. Judy Faye London is a channel that mainly talks about culture, economics, and dictators and various events and people in human history, while Judy Plus is a channel that talks about interesting discoveries in the world of science. And my friends, if you're interested in knowing the details about this topic, please check out the related articles in the description.